that significant snow, almost a certainty. Sand piles and salt piles around here are going to get a workout, but snow plows are also going to get some OT tomorrow night. From road preps to supermarket runs, WBZ's Samantha Cheney shows us how folks are getting ready.
Well, folks are gearing up for the snow coming our way this MLK weekend. The aisles here at the Chelsea Market Basket, they've been packed with people who are stocking up on everything they'll need, because they told me that when that snow starts to come down, they will not be coming back outside.
I'm not a fan of the snow. I've been here for a very long time, but you never get used to it.
Preparing for what's expected to be the first big snowstorm of the year.
We've got our shovels already, we got our ice melt.
We have snow blower too. We have a very large driveway.
Shoppers filled Market Basket Saturday night, stocking up on the essentials.
When I go out shopping, I make sure I get more than enough, because you never know when the snow's coming.
And when it hits, the heaviest snowfall could be from 5 to 10 inches. It's a snowstorm that employees over at the Chelsea salt pile told me they've been preparing for all week. They're ready to melt the snow on the streets and highways that some call overwhelming.
I've been here since I was 2 months old. I'll never get used to it at all.
It's football day, so I'm going to be watching football.
While others say it's nothing to a true New Englander.
When people complain that it's like 6 inches and they're like, oh my God, I said, oh, this is nothing. When I was young, it would be like up to my knees, and then you still go out.
I always say, if you don't like our weather, just move. No one is holding you down here. So if you don't like it, just leave.
Emergency parking bans have already been implemented in some cities and towns. Announcements continue to be made, so keep an eye out on if that will impact your area. Here in Chelsea, I'm Samantha Cheney, WBZ News.